Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Chris and this is my Rolls-Royce Phantom. Today I'm off to the Rolls-Royce factory to see Ghost Series 2. It's the special preview for Rolls-Royce customers. I don't know if you saw my video a couple of weeks ago. I did do a little bit of a desk review on all the images and footage Rolls-Royce have put out on the Ghost Series 2. It looks really smart. But they invited me down to have a look at the car in person before it's launched to the general public. You can go in the dealership and order it, but today is an opportunity for people to come down and spec their car and have a look around and touch and feel. Oh, over in their car park actually, they've actually now got the Spectre chargers. So never had a filling station here for a V12, but they do now have the electric chargers for a Spectre. So I brought the old girl back to where she was produced, here at the home of Rolls-Royce in Goodwood. And let's go inside. Let's see how the new Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2 is. Follow me. They've got these brilliant pictures of Sir Henry Royce and Charles Rolls. And they do move every so often. They're a bit spooky. But you see him just alter his angle. Quite clever. This is the Whispers Lounge in reception at the Goodwood factory. Super. Ghost Series 2. So the first thing you'll notice on the standard Series 2 over the black badge is this lower grille design here. Totally changed, bit of chrome showing, bit more chrome at the front. It's a bit more of a in your face, not quite as subtle, but it does hark back to what Rolls-Royce is all about. The big grille at the front, the spirit of ecstasy, and again, no plinth, just surrounded by this beautiful blue. On this particular Ghost, they've spec'd the brand new 22-inch chrome wheel, which I think offsets this paint really nicely. And of course, you've got the painted coach line, and very much similar on the inside to the black badge we've just seen. This one actually has an interesting feature because they've actually put cloth in this, and the stitching on these, the embroidery, I think the gentleman was saying there's about 2 million stitches per car just to embroider these logos on. And the stitching on these is taken from the RR and adapted to be 2 circles rather than 2 Rs. Different umbrella design, maybe slightly more subtle on this, but you've still got all the interior colours coming through onto the umbrella. Let me just show you the rear lights. Where they were really quite dark on Ghost Black Badge, they're actually a bit more bright, and they've got this monogrammed piece here that really makes them stand out. And one thing you can now spec on Ghost is visible tailpipes. And if it was me, if I was having an extended Ghost, I'd probably hide those away because you want it to be a little bit more subtle. For a daily driver, it's actually quite nice to have a set of exhaust pipes hanging out the back. And I can confirm they're real. So if you have a look at the gallery on the Ghost, as opposed to the Affinity symbol, you have the word Ghost. It is still illuminated, and we've got the little spirit of ecstasy, which is now chrome rather than the black chrome on the other one. And this has got, I don't know what wood this is, but all the veneer is back on the doors. But again, you've got big swathes of leather wrapping the cabin, and it is just, it's really simplistic actually. If you look at the dashboard and the layout, it's not too busy. In a Bentley, you do get a lot of knobs and buttons that are all chrome, and there are a fair number, but there's also some subtleties. The heated seat function and things like that are simply little black knobs, and I think it's not so it distracts you from the quality of the overall car, the overall product. So, and again, this has the Starlight headliner, and as always with Rolls-Royce, the doors close themselves. With Ghost, you've also got the sheer monolithic beauty of this single piece of aluminium that stretches all the way from here, all the way down, to this rear quarter panel and is actually welded by hand around about here to create an uninterrupted line, but also to pick out these design features along here and the scoop that runs around the roof of the car. So we've got a new colour for Series 2 Ghost, this Mustique blue, inspired by the Caribbean island Mustique, and I think that really does pop, especially under these lights and with these 22-inch chrome alloys. The attention to detail and the quality in here is absolutely second to none. It's absolutely superb. Also on this Black Badge Ghost Series 2, they've done away with the carbon wheels and they're now a 22-inch polished and painted alloy wheel. Really sets it off. I think this has a real hunkered down look about it, which is a bit new to, it's progressive, I suppose. The brand is moving towards that sportier, younger look. Even these black tail lights are a smoked chrome on the inside, much like all the trimmings on the car. So they're not silver as they are in the standard Ghost. And again, I don't know if I can open this one. I can. Oh, look at that. The attention to detail of the hoovering of Rolls-Royce. Have a look at that design. That's just been hoovered in. A double R on the back. So much like Series 1, all automated doors, coach doors still, opening backwards. Allows you really easy access to get in and out of the car. And we've got the Starlight headliner above. I'm not sure if this one is a shooting star headliner or not, so we might have to wait to see. Point out if they do. Infotainment system, all hidden away. Technical carbon on your tray, and infotainment system pops out, and then press of a button and it all just disappears. On this Black Badge Ghost as well, we've got the gallery across here, which has the illuminated Infinity symbol instead of the word Ghost, and you've also got a black Spirit of Ecstasy hiding in the dashboard just under the clock. But it is absolutely superb, the attention to detail and the finish. One thing they always try and do is hide the seams, so a lot of companies will use stitching on the seat and you can see the stitching, but where it is a nice bit of detail it can be embellished and you can change the colour. Where it's not needed, all the other bits of trim, all the seams are huge panels of leather, but the seam is hidden away so you get as much of the leather coming through and as less interruption to it as possible. Come around to the front of the car, it's a whole new lighting design with these quite angular daytime running lights, and they hark back to the Cullinan Series 2, the design language. They're obviously a lot deeper on the Cullinan, but all of this down here has been redesigned specifically for Ghost Series 2. And the new lighting design, I wasn't too sure of it right at the beginning when I first saw it, but actually it's really growing on me. It's got these sort of shaved away pieces. I don't know how you describe that, but it just moves away a bit like the Spectre, and that's where it comes from, I think. But it's got the same headlights as Cullinan Series 2, and I think it ends up looking a bit more aggressive actually. Really interesting front, and what a great daily driver. You can actually use this every single day. Good fuel efficiency for a 6.75 litre twin turbo, and a usable size. It's not too big and deceptively narrow actually, so parking it is pretty easy. And I do like the way there's not a plinth of metal that goes all the way across here, which it does on my Phantom, the Spirit of Ecstasy almost comes out of this big swathe of metal that, that surrounds it. Really nice design feature. We've just seen Ghost Series 2 and the Black Badge variant as well. Now, out of the two, which one would you have? Which is your favourite? Please put that in the comments below. Really intrigued to hear what you think of the new Ghost Series 2. So whilst we're here, I thought we'd take a sneak peek at Phantom Series 8. And what a lovely colour this is. A nice ruby red, two-tone bonnet. Oh, I'm not even sure this isn't a special edition. I'll have to ask. It's got a little monogram on here. But this is just, I mean, have a look inside there. Two-tone leather, nice maroon and ivory. And you can see on the passenger side, the gallery has been designed specifically for this car, and that can be personalised from customer to customer. So if your child's done a drawing and you want it in the passenger side of your Rolls-Royce, you certainly can. Ah, this is a special edition. This is the Patriot. And look at that. I might even be able to tell you. Magma red on the outside, Grace white and Ardent red on the inside, and it's got a white veneer. It has a white veneer actually. That's amazing. And new to Phantom as well, this has actually got the black grille. Not the black Spirit of Ecstasy, but the black chrome on the grille, illuminated behind, and that stands out really well against this red. And have you seen the headlights? Look, like little twinkling stars even in the headlights to match the headlining inside. Last but not least, one special car from James Bond Goldfinger. The Rolls-Royce that was used in the film is currently sat here at Rolls-Royce factory celebrating the anniversary of Goldfinger's release. What an epic car. That's the trip to the Rolls-Royce factory, bringing my 21-year-old Phantom back to see Ghost Series 2 and the Black Badge version as well. It's been a brilliant morning here at Rolls-Royce. We've also seen a limited run Phantom here in the lobby and Goldfinger Rolls-Royce from the James Bond movie. What a morning. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell notification button so you never miss another video. And until next time, have a great day. See you soon.